Drink 1 cup of this every morning to look younger almost instantly. Collagen in our skin, muscles and joints can start to break down as we age, causing wrinkles and dull-looking skin. The hair can also start to thin out as less blood flow reaches the scalp, and the muscles can atrophy and start to sag, such as under your arms. Many people use expensive skin creams, moisturizers, surgery or fillers to look younger. However, to really make a difference, we need to work from the inside out, not the outside in. In this video, I'll share my very simple drink that you can enjoy every morning to help you look and feel younger almost instantly, including your skin, hair, nails, eyes, muscles, and brain. Ingredients. The first thing you'll need is some organic coffee. Add 1 teaspoon of freshly ground organic coffee to a French press or a coffee dripper. Pour over 1 cup of hot but not boiling water. Let this brew for about 3 to 4 minutes and then press or strain it and then pour that liquid into the blender. Organic coffee is rich in chlorogenic acid. This is known to be anti-aging as it boosts liver detoxification enzymes, helping to remove those toxins that make the skin age faster. It also helps to improve blood flow and oxygenation of the skin, the hair, the nails, muscles, eyes, and brain. Coffee serves as the perfect base for our morning anti-aging drink. Next, we will need collagen peptides. Add 2 tablespoons of hydrolyzed marine collagen peptides powder into the blender. This ingredient is rich in type 1 collagen, which is the structural protein found in your skin. It has no flavor, color, or odor and is very easily absorbed by the body. The peptides in this signal your collagen building cells, telling them to switch on. And with daily use, it's clinically been shown to make the skin more elastic, firm, and hydrated, especially in tightening the tissues around the eyes and making the whites of the eyes look younger and healthier. Also, proline and glycine in this powder can also improve blood flow to the scalp for healthier hair growth, and likewise to the nail matrix for stronger and less brittle nails. Ingredient number 3 is sea salt. Next, I'd like you to add 1 tiny pinch of sea salt, about 1/2 teaspoon or just a few grains. This is just enough salt to add trace minerals without making the drink taste salty. Ideally, you will use Celtic, Himalayan or Redmond sea salt. These salts have over 80 trace minerals which can help to hydrate the cells throughout your body. This is actually perfect in the morning when your skin and your other organs have been drying out during sleep. Sea salt naturally raises your energy levels, it reduces cortisol and stress, and enhances circulation. Over time, this has a gentle anti-aging effect. The next ingredient is called raw cacao. Unlike regular cocoa, raw cacao is less processed and is much higher in antioxidants. This is one of the most powerful anti-aging ingredients known to man. You will simply add 1/2 teaspoon of this to your blender mix. This will give the coffee a wonderful chocolatey or mocha-like flavour. Many skin creams actually use cocoa butter in them as it helps to moisturize the skin on the outside, but using cacao internally is actually much more effective for boosting collagen. Rich in epicatechin, cacao enhances dermal blood flow to the skin by raising nitric oxide. It also has some magnesium which can reduce stress and facial tension that often makes people look older and worn out. The next ingredient is solely for your brain. Add 1 tablespoon of C8 MCT oil to the blender. Why would we do this? Well, as we get older, the cognitive function of the brain often slows down, so we struggle to remember things, pay attention, and keep mental focus. However, MCT oil is a healthy type of fat extracted from coconuts. These medium-chain triglycerides can actually bypass areas of damage or insulin resistance in your brain, and they can directly fuel the brain cells within just 45 minutes of drinking them. Again, this is tasteless, odorless, and it works very well in this recipe if you want to feel younger and not just look younger. Now, number 6 is very important, and it's Ceylon cinnamon. Simply add a quarter of a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder to the blender. This ingredient helps to reduce AGEs in your body. These are the proteins which stiffen and damage your collagen fibers as you get older. This type of cinnamon is packed full of anti-aging antioxidants such as cinnamaldehyde and proanthocyanidins. These things directly protect your skin against oxidative stress as you get older. But more importantly, they help to keep your blood sugar steady throughout the day, making it the perfect ingredient to start your day with. Now, here's a couple of other ingredients that you may also want to add, but they're optional. Vanilla bean paste. If you wish, you could add a quarter of a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. This will add a note of vanilla flavour, which works well with the cacao. But it also has something called vanillin, a natural antioxidant that's good for your skin. Another optional one is stevia extract. If you find that the drink is a little too bitter for your taste, feel free to add 1 to 2 drops of liquid stevia. This will sweeten it and reduce bitter notes. And for added antioxidant benefits and a cafe latte style flavour, you may optionally add a tiny pinch of ground green cardamom. Be careful with this, however, as it's very powerful and you don't want your drink to taste like perfume. Cardamom has terpenes which aid digestion to help reduce bloating and also puffiness of the skin. Again, these last few options are completely optional, it's down to you. How to prepare my morning anti-aging drink. So start with the 1 cup of freshly brewed organic coffee in the blender, add the 2 tablespoons of the collagen peptides, the 1 tablespoon of C8 MCT oil, add a half a teaspoon of raw cacao, a quarter of a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, and a tiny pinch of mineral sea salt. Optionally, add the vanilla, the stevia, and the cardamom if you want to take it to the next level. Blend this for 10 to 15 seconds until it's smooth and lightly frothy, and drink it once a day in the early morning. Some people also like to add a small splash of milk to make it a bit more creamy. For best results, drink this consistently every day for at least 4 weeks, and you will soon begin to notice changes to your skin quality, your energy, and your brain function. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe with the exact measurements and optional upgrades, I've put a link to that down below. You can print this, stick it on your fridge, and follow the recipe easily every morning. So you now have the perfect anti-aging drink to start your day. But if you'd like to take this further, I will now share with you some of the other powerful ways to boost collagen in your skin. Starting with some of my favourite supplements. Acerola cherry powder, for example, is one of the best natural sources of vitamin C, which helps boost collagen production in the body. Arctic krill oil is rich in astaxanthin, one of the most powerful antioxidants. Zinc glycinate with copper can help to fuel the enzymes that protect and rebuild your skin, eyes, nails, and hair. And hyaluronic acid supplements contain a gel-like molecule that helps moisturize the collagen in your skin, eyes, and joints from within for proper hydration. All of the supplements and remedies in the world will not work for you if you keep actively damaging the collagen in your skin with low quality foods. So let's talk about the collagen destroyers that you want to avoid. Avoid eating protein when it's mixed with sugar, like ketchup or barbecue sauce, for example, as this will cause glycation where the skin, hair, and nails starts to become brittle and aged. Also, aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to raise melatonin and lower cortisol. This will help your skin rejuvenate properly during the night and help to prevent premature aging. Avoid eating vegetable seed oils and highly processed grains at all costs. These cause inflammation and oxidative stress, which breaks down the collagen by raising enzymes called MMPs. I also suggest that you stay away from alcohol, vapes, and cigarettes, as these can form toxic byproducts that slow liver enzymes and actually age the body at a faster rate. Now, instead of these, I would suggest that you focus on the following collagen-building foods. Your body needs 3 amino acids to make new collagen, called proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline. The richest natural sources of these are bone broth, gelatin, slowly stewed meats on the bone with cartilage and knuckle joints, chicken skin, fish skin, beef tendons, oxtail, pork rinds, and bone marrow. Try to eat these collagen-rich foods at least once or twice per week to boost your intake. Tip: if you have digestive problems, try drinking 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water before each meal to help you absorb collagen more easily. There is also an ancient oil that's been used for over 1500 years in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine called bakuchiol. All you need to do is apply bakuchiol serum once a day to your skin, preferably before you go to bed. This is a natural extract made from the seeds of the babchi plant. It works very similar to those retinol creams for reducing lines, sagging skin and wrinkles around the face, but without the irritation that's caused by modern ingredients. Studies show that bakuchiol helps to switch on collagen-producing genes in the skin, allowing fibroblasts to build new, healthy collagen fibers. And finally, we must talk about vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for your body to glue new collagen fibers together properly, and also to help prevent the collagen that's already in your body from breaking down. But if you're low in vitamin C, your collagen tends to be weaker, which can show up like easy bruising, crepey looking skin, slower wound healing, and visible veins. Try to eat vitamin C rich foods every single day like bell peppers, cabbage, sauerkraut, kale, broccoli, berries, lemons and limes. If you want to supplement, however, always use a food-based vitamin C from acerola cherry, camu camu or rose hips. I would avoid those over-the-counter ascorbic acid supplements as they do not contain the full and natural vitamin C complex. Summary: collagen breakdown happens faster when the body is low in antioxidants, but higher in stress hormones, AGEs, and toxins from junk foods. To look younger, it's important to bolster the body's antioxidant networks. Today's simple morning drink combines the power of natural ingredients like cacao, collagen peptides, coffee, and cinnamon to activate collagen-building cells called fibroblasts, whilst also helping to improve the circulation of oxygen to the brain and the rest of the body. By drinking just 1 cup in the morning, your body's anti-aging genes activate. The printable recipe link is now available in the video description, along with my full Rebuilding Collagen guidebook. And if you'd like to know about the 12 signs that you are losing collagen, watch the next video that's on the screen now. As always, thank you so much for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.